Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about the health benefits of lemon. Let's get started. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C. They also contain vitamin A, folate, calcium, and potassium. Limonene, a compound shown to have anti-cancer properties, is present in lemons. All citrus fruits are high in flavonoids, the most common antioxidant in vegetables and thought to block substances that cause cancer and heart disease. Lemon health benefits includes improving vitamin C levels, decreasing blood cholesterol, alkalizing body pH, boosting liver function, boosting metabolism, boosting gallbladder function, helping digestion, treating acne, decreasing digestive irritation, relieving symptoms associated with pathogenic bacteria, helping prevent internal hemorrhage, improving eye health, and improving cancer treatment. Below are more health benefits of Number 1. Rheumatoid arthritis. Vitamin C-rich foods provide protection against inflammatory polyarthritis, a form of rheumatoid arthritis involving 2 or more joints. Number 2. Fight cancer. In laboratory tests, citrus limonoids have been shown to fight cancers of the mouth, skin, lung, breast, stomach, and colon, and human neuroblastoma tumors, which occur most often in children. Because of limonoids' ability to stay in the bloodstream for a period of time, researchers believe that they may be better suited for suppressing cancer cell growth than other nutrients. Number 3. Helps improve eye health. Rutin, found in it, help to maintain eye health and reduce symptoms of eye problems. It's no secret that rutin has many health benefits when it comes to regulating blood flow. Seeing a smooth blood flow to the retina of the eye is an important part of strong and sharp vision. Number 4. Helps prevent internal hemorrhage. Women who consumed at least 2 servings of citrus fruits a day showed 20% lower levels of endothelial stress-linked biomarkers, and a significant improvement in markers of blood vessel function, compared to those who did not frequently eat citrus fruits. 5. Relieves symptoms of pathogenic bacteria. Lemons are powerfully antibacterial, that prevent the growth of pathogenic bacteria that cause infections and disease such as malaria, diphtheria, and typhoid. Relieves symptoms of pathogenic bacteria. Lemons are powerfully antibacterial, prevent the growth of pathogenic bacteria that cause infections and disease such as malaria, diphtheria, and typhoid. Number 6. Decreases digestive irritation. Natural astringents contain strong anti-inflammatory properties that can be used to decrease digestive system irritation, while also improving digestion and inhibiting diarrhea. Number 8. Lemon boosts gallbladder function. The bitterness of the lemon is also helpful for production of bile, as it stimulates the liver and gallbladder. Preparation and serving suggestions. To yield the most juice, a lemon should be room temperature or warmer. Roll the lemon under your palm on a hard surface to soften it before juicing. Just need a bit of juice? Make a toothpick hole in the skin through which to extract juice, and then leave the tooth in the hole to seal it and maintain freshness. Add lemon juice, pulp, and rind into salads, soups, and anywhere that you want a fresh citrus taste. Lemon juice can be used to change milk into buttermilk. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.